Alright, I started off with an empty dollar store shallow pan. I wanted to make sure I painted it and got it to look like I wanted to. Again, here's this shallow pan. You want to use the shallow pan so the roots can quickly take over the pot and establish themselves as a tree. Shallow pan. I loaded this up with some old soil that I had. I made sure I used some insecticidal soap on the soil before I planted this tree, this pepper plant in. I packed it down pretty good. I layered that pack of soil with some sand just in case anything the insecticidal soap didn't get. That sand will, no insect larvae, especially fungus gnats, don't like crawling through sand, so there's a layer of sand in between this. I don't know. I think that looks pretty good for what I'm trying to accomplish right now. Got these roots exposed just a little bit, and we're gonna keep working with it. I'm getting ready to go ahead and secure and decorate it now, and then it's just gonna be its own little tree. All right, see y'all in a minute. Yeah, and this is when I put the plant straight out of the gallon pot into the soil. I offset it just a little bit so that I could break apart some of the soil that it to expose more root to the surface and be able to secure that plant to the soil just a bit more. And I go by doing that with my hands. I just separate that soil ever so gently so as to expose the roots. And then after I expose the roots properly, I left enough of a ledge at the bottom of the plant to secure that plant down with some black rocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, that dollar bag. Now we'll see. I also went ahead and gave this pepper plant some beneficial microbes to help it with the transplant process. And here is the end product. I like how it actually turned out. I think I could do a lot better, but we'll see what kind of peppers it provides for me.